Welcome viewers, this is Raj Maths channel. Basic maths concepts up to class 7 have been uploaded to assist class 8 students to step into class 8 with confidence. One may see those videos at convenience if not seen already. This is the second video of class 8. The topic is Square and Square Roots Part 2. Now finding square root is the inverse operation of squaring. We say 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is 4 and 9 square is 81. Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 81 is 9. Now 9 square is equal to 81, and we also know that minus 9 square is also 81. So this will mean that square root of 81 is 9 and the square root of 81 is minus 9 also. At present we shall only take positive square roots and we denote it by root, under root. For example, root 4 equals 2, not minus 2. Root 81 equals 9, not minus 9. We write root 4 or root 4 like this if it is only one digit. Here 4 is only one digit here under the root. But write 81 under root 81 like this if there are more than one digit under the root. Now finding square root, there are two methods, one by prime factorization and another by division. So first by prime factorization. To find square root of 36, we have to find the prime factors of 36 by the usual way. However, this is shown here. Prime factors of 36 are 2 into 2, 3 into 3. We make them into pairs like this. Then write 2 square into 3 square. And we can write this as 2 into 3 whole square. Square root of 36 is equal to 2 into 3. Square is taken off. And this is equal to 6. So 6 is the square root of 36. Another example, 4900. We find the prime factors and write it like this. We pair them. There are 3 pairs, 2 square, 5 square, 7 square. We write this is equal to 2 into 5 into 7 whole square. So the square root of 4900 is 2 into 5 into 7 equals 70. Now finding square root by division. Square root of 441 we have to find. We write 441 here. From this side we start putting bars. On one pair we put 1 bar. Now 1 bar here, then there is only one digit left, so we also put bar over it. First we consider first bar. We have to take a digit here, the square of which is 4 or less than 4. So we take 2 here, square of 2 is 4, we write 4 here, subtract, then we take down this next bar 41. We double up the quotient. 2 double of 2 is 4. We write 4 here. Now we have to find a digit and write it here so that the product of this number and this number is 41. See here, if we write 1 here and write 1 here, the product of 41 is 41 into 1 is 41 we get the 0 remainder here. Square root is 21. We write root of 441 is 21. Now finding the square root of 4489, we write the number here. Start putting bars like this. On 2 digits put 1 bar, then next 2 digits we have put another bar. So we take up the first bar. We have to find a number whose square is less than 44. So 6 we take. The square of 6 is 36. We write 6 here. We subtract it, get 8 here. Take down the next number 89. Now we double this quotient, we get 12. Then we have to find a digit here, so that multiplying this number with the same digit which we put here, we get 889. See here, we have put here 7, so this number becomes 127. So, and we have put 7 here. This and this number digit has to be same. So 127 into 7 is 889. We get 0 remainder here. 67 is the square root we get. So under root 4489 is 67. To find square root of decimal numbers, see, we take up this number 42.25. Now after decimal we start putting bars from this side. So this is only 1 bar coming on 2 digits. Then before decimal we put bar here on 2 digits. So in total there are 2 bars. Now taking up the first bar 42, we have to find the number whose square is less than 42 or equal to 42. So we put 6 here, write 36 here. Subtracting, we get 6. Now we take down the next bar 25. We double this number quotient. 6 double of 6 is 12. Then we have to find one digit here. The same digit will be written over here, so that the product of this number and this digit is less or equal to 625. See here, if we write 5 here, then product of 125 and 5 is 625. Subtracting, we get 0 remainder. So 6.5 is the square root of 42.25. Now explaining the method of putting bars, see, we have shown here 4 numbers and put bars there. If you see them, now this is not a decimal number, so we start putting bars from this side towards left, go towards left. This bar here, a pair, this bar here and this bar here. So total there are 3 bars. This is a number with 5 digits, so we get 3 bars here, but the last bar is on 6 only. For decimal numbers, this after decimal we start putting bars from this side, and before decimal we put this side. See here another example. Now the square root of this number will be having 3 digits because there are 3 bars. Square root of this number will also be having 3 digits as there are 3 bars. Square root of this number will be having 2 digits before decimal and 2 digits after decimals. Same here, the square root of this number will be having 2 digits before decimal and 2 digits after decimal. That's all for the time being. Thank you very much for watching this video. We shall see you again in our next video.